We've now opened it up to medics as well, which is something I think we'll have to deal with after this, kind of a long tail solution, because there are a lot of military medics, including myself, and some experiences you've had in being responsible for training military medics for all the branches in your last billet. So maybe you can talk a little bit about that and what our ability is after we get out, which is nothing really. But Mark, you want to talk about, you're a military medic, you may have a lot of experiences in saving lives and lots of great training, but you can't get out. When you get out, I couldn't even drive an ambulance until I was recertified as a civilian.
Well, the public may not know about this, but I've had the privilege to be mentored by senior Navy corpsmen and also turn around and mentor the junior corpsmen. These are enlisted healthcare professionals out of high school, if you will, and they get 5 months of training in basic medical care, and then they go on to branch out in various specialties. These are young men and women who are trained to work, so to speak, at the point of the spear, in combat, in distance areas where they may be alone and entrusted with the lives of those people that they serve with. Unfortunately, there is no civilian equivalent of this medical professional specialty. So we find that some highly, highly trained and experienced corpsmen, medics, don't have a civilian job to go to once they leave the military. It's been a long problem, but we see an opportunity now. These people with just tremendous skills and experience can step up and help the nation with this pandemic. And maybe we can find a solution that they can be employable and contribute to healthcare once this is all over. I have to say that one of the most rewarding aspects of being a Navy physician was, as you said, you tried to learn everything you could from the physician. Well, on the flip side, it was a privilege to try to teach that eager corpsman everything he possibly could so that they could go forth and they could take care of that sailor or that Marine that was injured by a trauma or in combat and save their lives so they could come back home. It's very interesting. I want to pay that accolade to corpsmen out there. Of any Navy rating, the hospital corpsman has won more medals of honor than any other rating. That's 22, with a myriad of, I hate to say it, lesser awards.
Right.
I hate to call a Navy Cross a lesser award, but very selfless in their sacrifice to protect their sailors and Marines.
In the military, they call us Doc, but they don't call us Doc until we kind of earned our stripes, with the guys, so to speak, men and women.
It's the confidence. When you gain the confidence of the people that you fight with, as a medical professional, you earn the accolade of Doc.
Right.
Because they trust you with their lives.
This all started in China in November, right? And here we are, mid-April. November, this time coming around is only 6.5 months away.
Right.
And if it starts again, this if we don't have a solution for it, then this could very quickly start again. It doesn't have to travel around the globe anymore. You frankly could start at your house. So that goes to really, if we have to stand this up again, all former military medics, if you're available and deployable, we may need you when that happens.
We need a plan, we need it in place, and we need you.
We're pretty much excited about opening this up to medics, and that's something that maybe we can, if there are enough of us that sign up, we'll know you're interested, and maybe we can take it to DC as well to begin or even support others that are doing this initiative. Like, for instance, I think Team Rubicon has they're lobbying hard to try to make this happen. Anything that we can do to help them, we don't have to be the front guys at all.